arbitrationagreements.org. Alternative Dispute Resolution, or ADR, is a fascinating and practical way to resolve small claims in a faster and cheaper manner than traditional court litigation. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low when problems occur. Now, what exactly are small claims? Small claims typically refer to disputes involving relatively small amounts of money, often under $5,000. Think disputes between neighbors, landlords and tenants, consumers and retailers, among others. Going to court over these amounts can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes just not worth the effort. That is where alternative dispute resolution comes in. It refers to any method used to resolve disputes outside the traditional court system. ADR offers flexible and effective solutions for settling disagreements. It can include processes such as negotiation, mediation, and arbitration. The advantages of ADR are many. For one, it's quicker. You can often resolve disputes in a matter of weeks or months, whereas litigation could take years. It's cheaper too. The costs are usually significantly less than going to court, especially when you consider lawyer fees, court fees, and other related costs. It's even more private. ADR proceedings are not public record, unlike court cases. And importantly, ADR is less formal and adversarial, focusing on resolution rather than who wins or loses. Here are a few interesting statistics. A study conducted by Cornell University found that about 80% of cases that went through mediation reached a settlement. Another recent report stated that the median time from filing to award for an arbitrated case was just a fraction of the time it could take in court. And the National Consumer Law Center reports that consumers who use ADR save an average of 60% in costs compared to going to court. So, if you are dealing with a small claim and are looking for a faster, cheaper, and less confrontational method of resolving it, consider alternative dispute resolution. It can offer an effective and efficient way to get a resolution without all the headaches of traditional court litigation. If you want to learn more information about ADR, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the advantages of arbitration? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.